Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you what to do if you're getting the access denied error in Windows 11. The first solution that you should always take in consideration is to set your account as administrator. To do this, press the Windows plus R key to open the Run app and then type the following command: Control user passwords to, and simply press on OK. As you can see, you have been taken to the user accounts window. Now simply click the user account that you want to make as administrator and make sure that the users must enter a username and password to use this computer option is ticked in. Now click on the Properties button. In here, select the Group Membership tab, and lastly make sure to check in with the Administrator option and then press on Apply and OK to save the changes. Now this account should be turned in as an administrator. Another useful solution is to check your permissions. To do this, locate the problematic directory, right-click it and select the Properties option. In here, make sure to select the Security tab and then press on the Edit button. Now select the user account that you want to grant access to and then simply check the Allow box for the full control option. Now click on Apply and OK to save the changes. You can also enable the Hidden Administrator account. To do this, press the Windows button, then type in CMD and run command prompt as an administrator. In here you have to type the following command, or you can copy-paste it from the description below. After pressing enter, you will see that you will unlock the administrator account. Now you can log off of your account and switch to the newly enabled administrator account. From there, you should be able to access your files without any problems. And after you're done using the administrator account, just go back to command prompt, copy-paste the same command, but instead of the yes, simply type in no. And that's it, you're back to your usual account. And lastly, another great solution is to take ownership of the file. To do this, locate the problematic folder and right-click it and select the Properties option. Then in the Folder Properties window, make sure to select the Security tab and then click on the Advanced button. Now just find the Owner section, which is here, and then click on the blue Change button. You will see that you have a white box which says Enter the object name to select. So in here you have to type in the user that you want to make as an administrator for this folder. After typing the username, just press on OK and you will see that the ownership changed. Now just check the box for Replace all child object permission entries with inheritable permission entries from this object, and lastly click on Apply and OK to save the changes. And that's it. Plenty of solutions to consider in the long run. As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.